Sunnuntaiskeittiö Puistokatu 21 Jyväskylä. Wow. Basement. The 1961 vs 196 is the oldest ValmetSchlieren I have ever filmed. And this should be the oldest ValmetSchlieren ever installed. 5th floor. Or this second. The staircase I have oldest. I have to film it. It's also okay. Basement. Quite bad condition, unfortunately. I will take 4 rides if it's possible. 5th floor. Let's hope that it's possible to change the staircase at the basement. Inspected by inspector, maintained by county. It's very amazing find. I added this to my best reference list. I think it's possible to change staircase. Oh. This building is locked off, but I managed to get inside. It has Schlieren panel, but Valmet buttons, like all first ValmetSchlierens. Larky lights. This is in bad condition. So sad. Basement. Why is this so bad condition? This is not going to be modernized, I think. Or I'm sure it's going to be modernized. So this is going to be modernized. No. Fuck. So sad. First ValmetSchlieren. Or 2 worst ValmetSchlierens. Going to be modernized. Rare Valmet door. This might be last right, but might be nice after a few years, but probably even this year. Ground floor. Okay. That's